wally, fa la 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 la. The gifts I'll give them make me jolly, fa la 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 la. 'Cause throughout next year I'll borrow, la 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 la. Uncle Woody, Uncle Woody! Hey, no fair!
If we have to wait for the figgy pudding, so do you!
Come on, Splinter, let's get our Santa sighting webcast set up.
Next time, a pinch less, Woodpecker.
You two better behave tonight, or I'll tell my friend Santa to leave nothing but coal in your stockings.
You can't do that!
Nobody ever gets to see Santa, Uncle Woody. That's why we're gonna get a secret video of him tonight.
And webcast it on Splinter and Knothead's SantaSightingLive.com.
Whoa, wait, back up a second. You two don't think I know Santa? Winnie, tell him I'm best friends with Santa Claus.
Sure you are, Woody. And monkeys fly out of my beak when I sneeze.
Yeah? Well, if it wasn't for me, there'd be no Christmas at all tonight. Or ever. I saved Christmas, and I remember it like it was yesterday. It was a cold and snowy night before Christmas, and there I was, out looking for a new place to live. Woohoo! It's my lucky night! Treehouse for rent. What a cozy place for me to hang my little Christmas stocking. So, Santa can fill it with a few meager presents.
Merry Christmas, Yuletide traveler! I saw you eyeballing my sign. Need a place to live, do ya? Well, I believe everyone should have a comfortable home for the holidays. A place for Santa to visit. Go on, open it. From your friendly landlady to her best new tenant. But not till you sign on the line and pay the $500 first, $500 last, $500 deposit, the all-inclusive $2,000. If you lose a break it, stain, or even look at it wrong, you bought it. Clause paragraph 84, subsection K. Read it at your leisure. But don't take too long. Christmas is coming.
Excuse me. I don't have this kind of dough. Yeah!
No good moochin' freeloader try to take advantage of my goodwill on Christmas.
What a Scrooge. What could it hurt? No one's gonna come looking to rent this place tonight. So, I made myself right at home. My first night in my peaceful treehouse was Christmas Eve. Hey, what's the big... Santa Claus can't see me awake. Got a little tied up in your work, eh, Santa? So, what did you bring me?
Help! I've been kidnapped! Call the police! Call the mayor! Call the Cruelty to Elves Commission!
Oh, the kidnappers!
Alls we gotta do is hold the jolly old elf captive in this here empty house and wait for somebody to cough up a gazillion-dollar ransom. Yeah, or Christmas is canceled forever.
Christmas canceled? No way!
Who wants to be a gazillionaire? Here comes our ransom, boss. If he moves, pretend it's you.
Oh, Merry Christmas there. Happy Hanukkah. Joyful Kwanzaa. Ooh, nice place. Yeah, a lot of carpet.
Who are you?
I'm Basil the Repo Elf there. Don't mind me none. Santa, where are you?
Ha! I never heard of no repo elves. Get out of my...
So, yeah, I come ahead of Santa and take all the old things he'll replace on Christmas there. Yeah, it's a sweet deal. Santa, where are you? Out with the old, in with the new, you bet, yeah. Games missing cards, old toasters. The sofa! Oh, gosh. Oh, heck. Sure enough. Yeah, this house is getting a nice new hide-to-bed sofa, courtesy of the Christmas big guy. So...
Hey! I happen to know Santa Claus ain't scheduled to stop at this house.
Oh, and I don't believe I caught your name there, so I can check it twice and find out if you've been naughty or nice. Don't ya know?
That sofa stays here.
Yeah! Hang on, Sammy! I'll save ya!
Whoa! No!
I can't steer all tied up!
Hang on, Santa! I'm coming!
Yeah! Oh! I got you if you fall, boys! Ah!
Let go, you big lug!
I got you!
Merry Christmas, boys!
Incoming! Oh!
Whoa, reindeer!
Oh, Woody, I thank you. The children of the world thank you. Well, you saved Christmas. Oh, ho, ho, ho!
And that's how I saved Christmas. Swell, Uncle Woody.
Hey, that crazy stuff about the sofa gives us a great idea.
Huh?
Yeah, we can hide one of our cameras in here to film Santa.
Nobody believes me. Well, that's exactly the way
Hi-ho, everybody! Merry Christmas!
Uncle Woody was just telling us about the year he saved Christmas, Miss Meanie.
Ha! I suppose he gave you that malarkey about how he popped this sofa bed open, shot Saint Nick up to the roof, then took out the bad guys with a big old sack of toys, huh?
I saved Christmas, and you know it.
Did not!
Did
You didn't tell half of what really happened, Woodpecker. Want to know who really saved Christmas? Me, that's who. And I remember it like it was yesterday. It was a cold and snowy night before Christmas. There I was, baking my traditional St. Nick souffle. Now, I never knew it at the time, but Christmas was in grave danger of being canceled thanks to a particular woodpecker. And that's when a strange thing happened. There was a gentle knock at my door.
Christmas is a day of cheer, but I think this bruise will last all year.
Oh my, a prospective tenant. He's fallen on my icy steps. This is horrible. He could take me for all I've got.
Whoa! Whoa! Stop! Down, reindeer!
Well, what'd you know? I got all Santa's loot. Now, where's that limp dish rag Twinkie?
Yeah, Blunder and Blitzkrieg and whatever your names are. Whoa!
Woody, untie me before you single-handedly destroy Christmas!
Glad you didn't break anything, sweetie. Oh, here you go. Cocoa for your chill, hot water for your spill, and I'm slashing the rent, Xing out clauses. Is there anything else your little heart desires?
I never learned how to tango.
Tango is what Mama was made for. Olé.
I just gotta keep this deal going forever. Whoa, Miss Landlady. I love everything you have. I mean everything about you. Make my Christmas wishes come true. Marry me a lot.
Why, I don't know what to say.
Say, what's yours is mine forevermore.
Mwah! You wait right here, my little feather duster. This is the best Christmas gift a girl could ask for!
No, no! These two could blow my cover!
You!
Oh! Easy now! My butt's a bruiser!
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas wedding!
Let's take our honeymoon now. Bora Bora's far enough away. Oh!
You again, Woodpecker? Back off my bow!
This guy's trying to con you, Miss Meanie, and he kidnapped Santa Claus.
Didn't you ever hear? No one likes a tattletale!
Wait! The Woodpecker's telling the truth! Stop that kidnapper!
I'll teach you to toy with my affections!
I gotta get out of here!
Give me that, Woodpecker!
All right, nobody move, or Santa gets souffled. Oh, Tweaky, I knew you'd come through.
What? Oh, no, you don't, you little smooch-moocher! Come back here!
Figgy pudding! Oh, Miss Meanie, how can I ever thank you? You've saved me, and you've saved Christmas.
Oh. And that's how it happened.
That rug trick sounds awesome, Miss Meanie. Come on, Knothead. We'll use that if Santa tries to duck out of camera view.
That's the biggest crock of Christmas stuffing I ever heard.
Let's move it closer to the fireplace.
You save Christmas? Woodpecker, you couldn't save room for dessert.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Here's my festive Christmas-colored meatballs.
At least they don't glow in the dark like the Halloween ones. Oh, hi, Wally. Maybe you can settle an argument. The first year Woody came to the neighborhood, who saved Christmas?
Let me think now. Yeah, sure. It was me.
What? What are you talking about?
Are you crazy?
It was me.
I saved Christmas.
I'm the one.
It couldn't have been you.
It was me.
Yeah, I saved Christmas. I remember it like it was just yesterday. There I was, setting out my Swedish Yuletide diorama.
Well, what do you know? I just found me an easier Santy.
Why don't you watch where you're going?
Oh, hello, neighbor, yeah? I'm sorry about my friend. Go get Santy's sleigh and double time it. Whoa! He's so excited, yeah. You see, we are from the Swedish Christmas Commission.
Oh, do you like my diorama?
Oh, yeah, it's probably okay. But I really like the decorations on the lawn, yeah?
Oh, yoy! Tell me I won first place. Tell me I won. Tell me I won.
Oh, yeah, you won. And the prize is a round-trip ticket to La La Land.
Yoinky doinky.
But he's not the real Santa, boss. Now, trust me, Tweaky. Wearing this red suit, he'll be close enough to get us our ransom. Yeah! Attention! We have got Santa Claus. And we want the ransom money, or there ain't gonna be no Christmas!
Don't listen. I'm not really.
Why? Every party does have a pooper.
If they so much as heard a single nose on my reindeer, they're going right on my naughty list.
Out of my way, Woodpecker! That jolly old elf is cute, and I'm not letting him get away!
You're a nutcase, Meanie. Santa's already married to Mrs. Claus, and I saved him.
Give back my toys, you hoodlums.
Now we got two Santa Clauses, boss. Nope. As luck would have it, we only got one. So get him! Booster! Yeah!
Let my Santa go.
Whoa! Attack of the Swedish Santa!
Ow! Okay already! Back off, you psycho Santa! Stop, will you?
I figured the only way to stop them was with my Mega Cruiser Super Christmas Meatball. I sent them up the river for a long time. And that's how Wally Walrus saved Christmas, you bet.
You're as nutty as a Christmas fruitcake.
That's not the important part. The important part is
was the
I...
one who
crazy.
saved
You weren't
Christmas.
there.
I was
there.
there.
I'm the one
My
that saved
part was
Christmas.
the most important part.
Rooftop spy cam ready, Splinter. Sky scan spy cam ready, too. Whoa, bogey at 12 o'clock. Is it? Switch to the rooftop cam. He's here. Hey, everybody! Look, it's Santa!
Oh!
Being kidnapped?
Crazy.
Hey, everybody! Was one of those kidnappers big and funny looking? And the other kind of short and, funny looking?
I did!
No,
I'm
it
the one
was
who
me.
saved
If it
Christmas,
wasn't for me,
It's no use.
All we gotta do is wait for somebody to
Everybody, look!
You're
You weren't there.
wrong,
I
I
was
was the
there.
one who saved Christmas.
That ransom is gonna be ours this time. No ifs, ands, or woodpeckers' butts.
Oh, yeah?
What?
It's the two converts.
Ooh, they broke out of Yale.
George!
Yeah!
We'll save you, Santa! Fire!
Oh! Ambush! Take cover!
Check it out, Webbies! The jolly old elf himself! Carpet! Meatballs, rugs, and sofa beds! The only way to pull off a Christmas save! Remember, you saw it all on SplinterNutHeadSantaSighting.live.com!
Knothead, Splinter, my reindeer, thank you. My elves, thank you. The children of the world, thank you. We all thank you for saving Christmas.
Well, sure, but they used my patented sofa stopper routine.
Without my famous rug ripper move, they'd never have gotten to your sofa.
Oh, yeah? Well, my mighty meatball started it all for sure.
You and your meatballs!
It was
Nobody
the
even likes
meatballs, I
meatballs!
Thanks to this one and thanks to that one. What about
Is it always like this around here?
Not always. Watch. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la
Farewell,
la
huh?
la la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
Anybody could get a flag and say Flag Day. But all the ancient Yuletide carols. You'll all see.
People know what I'm
Everybody
talking
dump
about.
on
There I
Wally.
was,
Dump
minding
on
my own
Wally,
business,
huh?
when suddenly I ran into all these problems. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry Christmas. Tis the season to be jolly.
Anybody could get a flag and say Flag Day. For the ancient Yuletide carols. You'll all see.
People know what I'm
Everybody
talking about.
dump on
There I
Wally.
was,
Dump
minding
on
my own
Wally,
business,
huh?
when suddenly I ran into all these problems. Strike the heart and join the